Hi, my name is Brad Enders. I'm the Director of the Emergency Mechanical Services Branch for the Winnipeg Fire Department in Canada. And we're here doing a final inspection on our 2019 E1 HP100 platform aerial ladder. Winnipeg is located in Canada. It's a central prairie town. Population of Winnipeg is 750,000. We have 27 fire halls, 33 pumps on duty every day, and we have about 900 career firefighters. We decided to do clean cab on this, so no tools or equipment that's on the fire ground is going to be located in the cab. We sat down and we decided we would remove the SCBA from the cab, so we just went with a regular firefighting seat that's vinyl, so it can be easily cleaned. The whole E1 interior is easily cleanable. It's a light color that shows dirt and dust, and we'll be storing the SCBA in an outside compartment, and we're really hoping that that really reduces our firefighters' exposure to off-gassing after the fire, and can help reduce some cancer rates. This area is located in our Station 1, that's in the heart of downtown. It's our largest station, and it's busiest. The aerial that this is replacing does about 4,000 runs a year, and it's a very busy apparatus. Working with E1 and our local dealer, Kuwait Truck, was a seamless process. Everything from the pre-build to the apparatus design specs. This truck was built on a collaborative effort from our department. We run a fire apparatus committee group, which is made up of a project manager, subject matter experts. So we have firefighters, we have mechanics, we have the specific firefighters that run the aerials to give their input, and we all get together and design the specs and then put it out to tender. And yeah, it was great process. The final inspection's been going good, and it's a beautiful product. We have 5 frontline E1 aerials in our fleet right now, as well as 3 spares, and they've stood the test of time for us. We've had them, some of them for 20 years, and they're still rolling, still in good shape, and we're very happy with them. They're very excited. It's going to be a great addition to our fleet, and we're always excited to get new state-of-the-art apparatus.